Many people still install heavy apps just to do simple things. PDF converters, image compressors, basic document editors, all installed on their devices. But here's the real problem. Most of these apps are heavy, slow, and constantly running in the background. They take up storage space, consume RAM, and quietly drain performance, especially on low-end laptops or older computers. That's why so many devices feel slow, even when you're not doing anything heavy. And this is exactly where online tools make more sense. Online tools work directly in your browser. No installation. No sign-ups. No updates. No background processes eating your resources. You only open them when you actually need them and close them when you're done. For simple tasks like converting PDFs, compressing images, merging files, or editing documents, browser-based tools are often faster and more efficient than desktop apps. Tools like TinyWow or iLovePDF let you upload a file, process it in seconds, and download the result, even on low-spec laptops or older machines. Another big advantage is flexibility. You're not locked to one device. You can use the same tools on a laptop, a tablet, or even someone else's computer as long as there's a browser. Of course, online tools aren't perfect. They depend on an internet connection, and they're best suited for light to medium tasks, not heavy professional editing. But for everyday file work, they're more than enough. If your device feels slow, deleting heavy apps and switching to browser-based tools can instantly make a difference. You don't need a new laptop. You don't need expensive software. Sometimes, the smartest upgrade is simply using lighter tools. If you want more simple text swaps that actually make your device faster, check out the other videos on this channel. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.